work really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer telling us what a great job we did. And now we're happy to share it with you.
I did a total renovation of my house and bought all my doors, both interior and exterior, and all the windows from Howard Jabaay. They were all significantly higher quality products than available from the big box stores. I've had them for over 5 years now, and I'm still happy with my purchase. I will definitely be back for my next project.
Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.